Hello and welcome to Crystal's Cuisine. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple whole wheat bread. It is a simple recipe and even a beginner can get it right. So let's get started. For this recipe you will need the following ingredients. Just assemble them together before you start with the recipe. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar. I have used dark brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of quick rise yeast. Heat 1 cup of water to 50 degrees Celsius. You could heat it in a microwave. Now mix the water into dry ingredients. Also add 2 tablespoons of oil at this point along with water. I missed it and added it later. Knead the dough well until it is soft. Knead it over lightly floured flat surface if possible. The more you knead, the better the texture of the bread will be. So do not skip it. Keep the rounded ball in a greased large bowl. Cover the bowl with cling wrap or cloth. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, grease a 8 by 4 inch loaf pan. After 10 minutes have passed, roll out the dough and shape the dough into a loaf form by folding edges as shown here. Place it in the greased loaf pan and cover it with the same cling wrap or cloth used earlier. Place this pan in a warm place. I keep it in the oven with light on. In an hour's time, the dough will be doubled in size. At this point, you can preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the bread for 50 minutes. Once 50 minutes are over, remove the bread from the oven and smear the top with butter. Once it is cooled to room temperature, cut it and enjoy.